Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is a true Bel Air post car. Neat car, guys. I actually sold this car a couple of years ago to a gentleman. Just bought it back from him. Neat car. Love the color combination. Glacier blue metallic with India Ivory. I wish the sun was on it. That metallic and the blue is really pretty, but love the color combo. Good car. Matter of fact, I ended up driving it home last night. Drove it back in this morning. I don't know how many miles I put on. It's about a 25-minute ride to my house. And just a good car. Really drove out great. Just a nice car. When I originally bought this car, it was out of Arkansas. The gentleman that we actually bought the car from had done a very recent mechanical restoration. Body and paint, that stuff was done prior to him owning it. From my notes, I'm going to guess the body and paint are about 15 years old. But the mechanical restoration only had 1,300 miles on it when we sold it. It's only got 1,800 miles on it now. Very nice car. A lot of the trim on it is actually original. Actually, the gentleman that I just bought it back from, he just did some really neat stuff. He put the California bumpers on it. He also put Wilwood disc brakes in it. Looks like he started that he was going to put a radio in it because he put some speakers in the back, and he must just never got to the radio. But very cool car. You can see it's got T3 headlights in it. Slick. Oh no, it's starting to sprinkle rain here. Uh-oh, we might be in trouble. Looks like the grill is original. See if we can get this video in. But like I say, he actually just replaced front and rear bumpers. It had the bumperettes on it when I sold it. He got the California bumpers for it. Good looking car. Like I say, really drives out nice. Got a good running 350 small block in it. It's got a 700R4 automatic overdrive trans. You can see it's got easy eye glass. Yeah, those speakers were not in it. It's got the original AM radio still on the dash, so he must have been getting ready to put a radio in it, because the AM radio, I don't even know if it's hooked up. It's got the blue dot taillights in it. Nice car. Of course, you got it lowered down a little bit. 18 and 20 inch chrome. American Racing torque thrust on it. Again, if you're seeing little drops, that's just little sprinkles that are happening right now. Touch-up mark there. He actually, like I said, it had disc brakes on it, and he put Wilwood fronts on it with the slotted and drilled rotors, dual chrome mirrors. Again, good running 350 Chevy small block underneath the hood. A Holley 4-barrel polished intake. Does have a nice set of ceramic headers. It's got tubular front control arms on it. Car really handles nice. It also has an upgraded power steering unit on it. Air blows cold. Pro Billet distributor, 700R4 automatic overdrive trans. Yeah, we're gonna have to kind of pick up the pace, I think, Nathan. Nice little cam to it. Car runs out real good. Shifts good. Good looking car. Electric wiper conversion, that's nice. Rain come out of nowhere. Again, dual chrome mirrors, stainless and stuff is nice on the car. Door seams are nice and clean. I love the two-tone interior, very comfortable. New carpet, new sill plates. They put the little nicer bow tie seat belts in it. Again, interior's really nice. Billet rear view mirror, tilt column. It's got the classic instruments, gauge cluster, all that stuff works. 1807 on the odometer. It's got the vintage AC controllers. Again, AM radio does not work. Clock does. Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear axle. Jack with spares in the trunk here. Like I say, really good car, man. Drove out great. Nice and tight, shifts good, nice and crisp shift. Pictures underneath, you're gonna see, I think that's still the original undercoat actually on the floors on this car. Good looking car. Yeah, and I had it, probably 65 miles an hour on the way home. Did really good. All the gauges worked. Very, very comfortable interior. Very comfortable. And you can see they've replaced the blower motor and everything. Our fire's right up. Temp wise did great. Air blows cold. Maybe just kick it on for you. Got a little bit of pep to it. I stepped in it a little bit, rolled out real nice. Again, tilt column. All your gauges are functional. Tack works. Everything opened and closed real nice. Great looking car, man. Sits good. Again, no on the radio, but the blower motor does work. We had his wipers on. That's nice. Those things were vacuumed from the factory. They hardly ever work, so they converted them to electric. The horn works too. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our social media and Facebook, Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, guys. Great way to keep track of us.